Hey guys, so I'm having this problem. Intex water filter pump out of the garage. I hooked it up. It's a model SX 2800. I plugged it in. It has power, but it does hum when I start it up, but it doesn't suck water. So there's an easy fix to that, most likely, and I'm going to show to you how to fix it. So I already unscrewed the main housing. Let me take it off real quick. So it's actually really easy to take off. Right, so just pull it off. There's actually just one little cable that I can easily unclip. Okay, so take this whole thing off. So what happens is, behind this little box here, there's the rotor, and the rotor doesn't turn. It's a really easy fix. You only need to unscrew those two screws here, both sides. Let me do that real quick and then I come back. Right, so here are my screws. I can take this off, and you see here's the rotor. And I wasn't able to turn this, so what I did, I just took my screwdriver and with a little bit of force I yanked this free. Okay, so you see now it's turning again, and that will fix it. Now let's put it back together. Alright, so just screwing in the last of the 4 screws. Now all we gotta do is we plug it back in, because of course before we work on electricity we have to unplug it. Correct. Plug it back in. We'll hear a sound. That's a good sign. Now let's try if it turns on. Yes, as expected, that fixed it. Good deal.